In this video, we listed the top 5 best outdoor projector that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. TOPTRO .9 Pro Smart Projector. The TOPTRO .9 Pro Smart Projector delivers a premium home cinema experience with native 1080p Full HD, 4K decoding, 920 ANSI brightness, HDR10, and a 200-inch max display size. Powered by VOPLLS, it supports Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Disney+, and AirPlay 2 without needing an extra streaming stick. With Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, 40W Dolby audio speakers, AI autofocus, auto keystone, and auto screen alignment, it offers sharp visuals, powerful sound, and easy setup for movies, gaming, sports, and presentations. Number 2. HAPPRUN H1 Native 1080p Bluetooth Projector. The HAPPRUN H1 Native 1080p Bluetooth Projector delivers a big screen entertainment experience with Full HD 1920x1080 resolution, 10:1 contrast ratio, and up to a 200-inch display size. Its portable design supports HDMI, USB, Bluetooth, and 3.5mm audio connectivity, making it compatible with laptops, smartphones, gaming consoles, TVs, and speakers. With a long-lasting 100,000-hour LED lamp, remote control, and easy home cinema setup, the HAPPRUN H1 is perfect for movies, gaming, sports, and family entertainment. Number 3. TOPTRO, a One Smart Projector. The TOPTRO, a One Smart Projector, offers a portable home cinema experience with native 1080p resolution, 4K support, HDR10+, and 450 ANSI brightness for clear and vibrant visuals. It features Wi-Fi 6, two-way Bluetooth 5.2, Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video support, and 20W Dolby audio stereo speakers for seamless entertainment. With AI autofocus, auto keystone, auto screen alignment, and auto obstacle avoidance, setup is quick and effortless. Its compact design supports up to a 300-inch screen size, making it perfect for movies, gaming, presentations, and outdoor entertainment. Number 4. Wielio Portable Projector. The Wielio Portable Projector is a compact and convenient entertainment solution designed for home movies, presentations, and everyday viewing. It supports Full HD, 1920x1080 resolution, with 210 ANSI brightness for clear image quality and features, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity for easy connection with laptops, smartphones, and tablets. Its lightweight portable design with tabletop mounting makes it perfect for bedrooms, travel, and small home cinema setups. With a 5-star rating, the Wielio projector delivers simple, reliable, and enjoyable big screen entertainment. Number 5. VOPLLS Q5 Portable Projector. The VOPLLS Q5 Portable Projector delivers an immersive home cinema experience with native 1080p resolution, 4K support, HDR10+ technology, and 320 ANSI brightness for sharp and vibrant visuals. It supports up to a 210-inch large screen size and offers multiple connectivity options, including HDMI, USB, and Bluetooth for laptops, smartphones, tablets, and TVs. With a compact portable design, remote control, and support for H.264, H.265 video formats, the VOPLLS Q5 is ideal for movies, gaming, presentations, and home entertainment setups.